And I'm go ahead and applies it right about half of the nails. I'm gonna using the belly of the bristle and blend it like kind of thin in this part because we are going to ombre key lamp, which is the number 39 on the cuticle area. So using the belly, it looks like I'm using the tip of my bristle, but actually it's just my belly. So because the bellies will give it more pressures and will able to guide your powder so much better because it gets a whole and tie the bristle instead of just the tips. So I'm gonna take advantage when it's still wet and I remove whatever it was excess and it had it underneath of the nails. It's the best to do it now because you don't want it set, because when it dry and it's a little bit harder to remove and you might have to use an e-file to remove it. So now the first part of the ombre, which is numbers 10 neon greens, done. And you can see that its part is really nice and thin because when you're blending on, it will not give it like really big lumpy there or thick lumpy there. So submerging my bristle back into the monomer and pick up a smaller beads. And I'm going to do a smaller beads first. And then in this part, I am going to start to blend the ombre. I would suggest, you know, for beginners or for a lot of us love the ombre, and you are going to do the ombre, you can definitely doing it in the method of like 2 beads first. So the first bead help you perfect your ombre and second bead help you perfect your cuticle area. So the first bead I already like blending it here, and if you feel like you need a little bit more, absolutely you can. These two colors, I'm so obsessed with this because it was such a great combination of these two together. And then I'm go ahead and pick the second beads, which is the key lamp. Third beads for the total application, and then second beads for the key lamp. And then I will place it closer to the cuticle, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. And then you want to be just a space, just a hair away from the cuticle. You don't want to place it so close to the cuticle because it's just, you know, it might be accidentally touch on it, or it might running it over to your cuticle area. Okay, so happy with this. We are going to like cap it with the crystal clear. However, if you want to add like, maybe should I do a tropical like fruit in here? So it means that we're not gonna have any crystal on it. I'm gonna miss the crystal. Should we do just encapsulate with no crystal?
Sure. Or, you know, do whimsical.
Look at this.
Oh, that becomes like a perfect lemon lime ice cream.
Oh no, this is not. This is the kiwi.
Oh,
Do you think?
true. You know what? You can have different fruit in the smoothie. See, now you have melon, you have strawberry. You know what? That's like a buffet now. Like an ice cream buffet with all the fruit on top, or the fruit topping, some bananas.
Do you think so?
Yeah, we should go for ice cream later.
Sure. Alabama cone. Oh, that's a good idea.
Right.
Okay, it's so cool though. Look what I got. Oh, but then I'm covered all my ombre. The ombre is so beautiful.
It's just a little bit. Don't do too much.
Huh?
Don't overkill it. Now you should put.
Okay, so leave it there.
Yeah, just one big crystal on top.
Oh my
you know
God.
what? Just like that. Just like that. So you get your fruit buffet.
You have more charm. Give me some charm. Can I put the sun in there?
You can put the sun in there. What the sun? Here is.
Right here. The sun with the fruit. You can do however you want.
Yep.
I'm just really having fun with this. You can give me my crystal kits.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, you can put some glitter on it. Let's see if I could get glitter. It looks so cool though. I want to sell this one. Definitely I get a plan and then it's kind of spontaneous. Like I say, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this. No, this doesn't have anything. No, my other crystal kits. Just so you can take my beads away. Okay, I'm gonna look at. This is my sub box from last month, so I'm gonna use this. I got what I have in here. Because it take advantage from it still dry. I mean, it's still setting, so I am going to add. Oh, wrong one. Is it? Wait a minute. Why? See that it's still setting?
Okay, now you literally have it go from the top, shining out, shining down to a field.
I just saw the.
So that's like the perfect picnic there.
You know what?
Sun picnic.
I think I have the pineapple. Did you see that?
That'll be a hard find.
Oh, hold on.
Got it?
No.
Oh.
But I found something. You think?
More top than bottom. Maybe you could find space for it.
I wish I could do it later, but earlier, I mean. But I mean.
Hey Candace, so those are our acrylic powder. So what's this number for the acrylic color?
So this color I'm using is number 39 key lamp, and then number 10 is neon green. I love this color. This two color is a bomb, and you can see that when I did the ombre, it just goes so smooth and it blending so well. I'm so obsessed with this. Really rare that you heard me like talking a lot about the powder. Okay, it's too late because it takes me a little bit time for picking the bead, which is I shouldn't, but
Oh, it's time to cap.
yeah. So you just cap, and it's not exactly what I expecting, but what I found is the sun and the palm tree for you, and then some fruit.
Yep. So that is your perfect summer picnic.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the big beads of the crystal clear. Some fur, try to get into the nails. Place right here, so we're gonna cap it. This two color, it's just so beautiful together. And then make sure we cap all of them. Oh my god, it looks so cute, and the crystal clear, it's just so bomb. Missing just a little bit in the edges, but it's okay. We're gonna add some more in there. That's it. Just a little bit more. So it means today that we don't have any crystal design. Hello, what happened?
Hey, you know, at Glitz we do more than just crystal.
I know. Got a lot of more than just a crystal. A lot of requests for the ombre, and I've been getting some of the most popular shade for the ombre from Glitz Powder. So then I'm going to show you right now. All right, so let this one dry, air dry for like whenever. When you finish all 5 nails,